almond butter. This is even better than peanut butter, so I'm gonna use this one. I usually have a tea as well. Cinnamon. Cinnamon with banana and almond butter on a piece of toast. Standard breakfast. So now that I got breakfast made, I go downstairs, I eat it for the next 45 minutes, and then I go take Ziggy out for his morning walk. Where I'm just having my tea and my toast right now, kind of just checking up on work. So I posted a video yesterday. I was just checking the analytics on it and just kind of catching up with whatever's happening online. So after I finish this, I usually go and take my morning dump, and then I go take Ziggy out. But yeah, I made this video yesterday, Best Dreads Ever, episode 2. And I want to thank everybody that left a comment on that video, because I had asked people to leave a comment. And I got a pretty good response with the all the fire emojis that I requested here. I requested fire emojis, so thank you everybody. And stay tuned for today's video.
Yo, what's up, Ziggy? Ah, what up, Zig? How you doing? What you doing, Ziggy? You got 2 toys there, bro. You got 2 toys. Your tail's wagging over there. What are you doing with 2 of these?
Hey. What are you doing with 2 of these? Boy.
What up, Ziggy? How are you doing, bro? What's up, man?
I think it's time for some rasta pasta. Alright, so I'm making sweet potato fries. Basically, just gotta chop these up and put them in some water to soak for a few hours before I air fry them. You gotta make sure the avocado is ripe and ready. Ah, Bob Marley, Bob Marley! Woo, this guy's a legend, bruh. Let's see what's in the fridge today. Oh, we got some orange stuff, some PB. Ooh, chickpeas, protein. And check this out, oat milk. One thing's for sure, Mob Media is back, bro. This is where it all started right here, fam. Mob Media is back. All right, I'm going on a walk. It's pretty cold out today. It's -9 Celsius right now. Hey, it warmed up double time. It was -16 when I got out this morning. So I'm dressed fully with my snow gear, and I'm gonna go down by the river to do a little bit of vlogging down there. So let's go. All right, I'm here at Arundel Park. There's a dope ass river down here. So we're gonna go explore the river. I came down here a couple days ago without a camera, just chilled, watched the sunset, and it was so peaceful. So I figured I'd come back with the camera and shoot some B-roll
and talk about what's going on in my life. So, let's go. I've been thinking about making documentaries more often. Especially now that I got two documentary style cameras. I can make some. Oh, I gotta even show you what I got. But I'm vlogging on the camera right now. This is a DVX 100A. Panasonic DVX 100A, and I picked it up last night on a whim. I kind of splurged $800 on cameras last night. I probably shouldn't have, but it was a whole lead of events where I went to go buy this one 3-chip 3CCD camera off a guy off Facebook, right? Sold to me for 80 bucks. Pretty good deal because it came with a lens and everything, a bag, a handle. But then what happened was I asked him what he thought about this other camera I was looking at, which is this one, the DVX, and another one called the HVX. And while he said he just bought one last night for $650. And he's like, man, and that's a good price, $650. So I was telling him about the one I saw. This lady was selling these two cameras for $1,200, $600 a pop, essentially. And he's like, yeah, that's a good price. You know, I was thinking like, fuck, I should just go pick it up. So I ended up going home, and she messaged me because she wanted $1,000 for them. That was her lowest. So I was thinking about it all day. I didn't respond, and out of silence, she responded, okay, I'll go $800. So I was like, and this was after I just talked to this kid about him getting one for $650. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go check them out. Turns out they were a third of the distance that I thought they were. I thought I had to drive an hour to get there, but turns out it was only a 20-minute drive. So that was sick. And then I get there, and I'm looking through all the shit, and it's been through a lot of work, these cameras, and they weren't in the best shape. One of them wasn't. This one wasn't anyways. Dirty. Tell it's been dropped. The screen doesn't work on it, but I can use the viewfinder. It has a really nice fucking viewfinder. Like, it's the best viewfinder I've ever really used. So it's fine that the screen's broken. I don't really need it. And with the wide angle lens on here, it sees everything anyway, so I don't really need it for selfie shots like how I'm vlogging right now. But the camera is heavy, and it's a tape camera obviously, so I gotta find places to drop it if I'm gonna make a vlog like this. And I went to go check them out. I get there, I see that they're broken. So I'm like, I can't give you $800 for these now that I know that they're broken. You told me that they were fine. So I'm like, I'll give you $5. I just tried to lowball the shit out of her, and she's like, no, it's too low. And I'm like, okay, $600. She's like, no, it's too low. She's like, I'll go $7. And I'm like, okay, fine, $700 for both cameras. Both cameras, $350 each. I got this one, and I got a Panasonic HVX 200, which is the digital version of this. I'll show it when I get back home, but it's worth way more. So I got it for $350, but it's worth way more. So yeah, it's gonna be good to be able to document. So anyways, point is, I want to make some documentaries, and I want to film stuff like this as well. And the best part is this camera, I don't have to yell, it's kind of loud, huh? So the best part is this camera is what I had when I first started my production company, Mob Media. And then this camera got stolen from me. So to have it back again, it's bringing back like my thrive and passion for the art. because this was the shit. This was the look I was going for when I was just starting out, and I was making some money on the side, kind of learning how to do it. So, all I gotta say is Mob Media's back, baby. We're gonna make some documentaries for sure. I went to film school and I failed documentary filmmaking class, but now we're gonna pass it on our own terms. Check out this spot down here. The only thing is my hand is freezing right now. Thinking about making skate video. Oh, my hand is so cold. Holy shit. I don't know how much I'm thinking about making a skate video. Thinking about making some interviews in the streets. Definitely people with hair interviews and other shit with my bro. We can go interview people. And it would be nice to film some undercover hidden camera type of stuff. Whether it be pranks or acts of kindness or just randomness. Just getting some shit that's entertaining to watch. And with this camera, this is the era that brought me into filmmaking. And this was my first professional filmmaking camera that I never really had a chance to grow to use because I got taken from me too early. So this is the camera that I filmed those Jamaica vlogs with at Bob Marley's house and at the beach with my parents that I uploaded recently. And I say a lot. These ducks were here last time I came down here. They're so cute. Because they're just going a line, they swim upstream and they eat. And they're gonna come to me now because they think I'm gonna feed them, because a lot of people here are feeding these ducks. So let's see if they show up. These are mallards. These are male mallards. This is Mama up here. She's leading the pack too. Look at how they're swimming. It looks like a lot of work. I love the orange feet. The orange beak is more yellow, but I love their orange feet. So vibrant. This guy was showing me his feet a second ago. Come on, show me your feet, bud. There they are. The white balance is gonna kill me on this camera. Just walking through nature. That's coyotes. Coyote shit. What caused these trees to grow all in a bent up line like that? Check out this tree here. Twists all the way up. Holy moly. Like, look at this tree. What will cause it to bend up like that? Check out this. It's growing up. Is it a tree? Or a vine? Holy shit, it's killing. It's kind of like a creepy woods in here.